most part, the governor is hitting the pause button on loosening restrictions. It comes as Utah health officials are seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases statewide.
By and large, we are seeing this increase in cases throughout the state, from Logan to St. George.
Utah is still seeing increasing cases of COVID-19.
For everyone, as we move forward, it is essential that we all modify our behaviors to prevent the spread of COVID-19, especially to those who are at high risk for severe disease.
So for now, Governor Gary Herbert is not inclined to loosen restrictions any further.
It gives us pause. And so right now, I'm kind of in the pause mode of moving us out of yellow to green.
Right now, Utah is at a yellow or low risk for COVID-19 on the color-coded scale. Salt Lake City, Mexican Hat, and Bluff are at an orange or moderate risk. But he will move Kane County to the lowest risk level, green. Bluff and Mexican Hat will move to yellow. That's despite those communities' proximity to the Navajo Nation, which has some of the country's highest rates of novel coronavirus. It remains under a stay-at-home order and curfew to slow the spread.
There's significant distance there, and hospitalization rates are low. So the data informs us that they are justified to move to yellow in Mexican Hat and Bluff.
The governor says he's balancing the public health risk and the economic fallout of the pandemic. Health guidelines are being revised that will allow some entertainment venues to open, but will also push social distancing, staying 6 feet apart, and the wearing of face coverings when in public. The governor was particularly critical of Utahns who won't do it.
Unfortunately, those who don't wear masks not only are endangering their own selves, but endangering people that are around them, their neighbors, their friends, people they don't know. But they ought to be concerned and have consideration for their well-being.
The governor announced plans for a special session of the Utah State Legislature set for next week to deal with the ongoing economic fallout from the COVID-19 pandemic. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.